Greetings, Walsh College students and Walsh College alumni. We are so excited to invite you to our October Career Fair on our beautiful Troy campus next Wednesday, October 26th from 4 to 6:30 p.m. We're going to have over 30 top employers here talking to our students and our alumni about careers in business and management, HR, technology, cybersecurity, data analytics. So all majors are welcome. When else do you get to come to campus and have all these employers, all these professionals here ready to talk with you and help you build out your network? Our network is our net worth, and building connection and community, especially in today's world, is so important. So even if you have a job and you think, I'm pretty comfortable where I'm at, I'm not looking for something, come to our career fair, bring a friend, because you never know if you connect with someone in a company or in a professional area that can help you where you're at today. And I can't tell you how many times I've talked to students who've said, wow, I really wish I came to that because the next week something changed in my life and my job, and I wish I had connected with someone. So when we have these opportunities, this is when you want to jump in and say, yes, bring a friend. We're going to have a bring a friend contest. So for the person that brings the most friends, Walsh College students and alumni with them, we'll have a special prize for you because we believe you shouldn't go it alone. You should be generous in sharing these opportunities. And it's just so important to have that connection and community. And speaking of community, if you saw the most recent D-Business magazine feature, we have so many Walsh College connections that are in this magazine. So the top 500 most powerful people in Metro Detroit, we have Walsh College alum, board members, folks that are connected with our campus and our community. And that's just the energy that you have here at Walsh College. We truly are the best business and technology college in the world, and we are Metro Detroit's top business and technology school. So will I see you there? I'm Suzy Siegle, and I have the privilege of serving as Walsh College's president and chief champion, and I am excited to invite you to our career fair. So register today, bring a friend, bring multiple friends, and you can win our contest, and I can't wait to see you there.